You've probably tried everything, right? Cut calories, did the crunches, bought the fancy diet, but nothing's touching that belly fat that just sits there, like an unwanted roommate you can't evict. Here's what nobody tells you. You don't need an hour at the gym or a six-pack diet plan. In the next 7 minutes, I'm showing you a standing routine so effective, you'll see real changes in just 13 days. No equipment except what's already in your home. And the best part? It actually works because it targets the type of fat most people ignore. By the end of this, you'll understand why standing beats lying down for belly fat, the exact 13-minute sequence that forces your body to burn belly fat first. The one home item that makes this 3 times more effective. Common mistakes that actually make belly fat worse, and you're walking away with a routine you can start today, not tomorrow. Minute 0 to 2. Warm up. Standing marches plus arm circles. Start standing, feet hip width apart. March in place. Bring those knees up, not crazy high, just engagement. Your core should feel awake. While you're marching, do big arm circles. Forward 5 times, backward 5 times. This isn't filler. You're activating your entire posterior chain and waking up stabilizer muscles that haven't seen work in months. Most people skip the warm-up. Don't. You'll burn 30% more fat if you prime the nervous system first. Minutes 2 to 5. Standing oblique twists with or without dumbbell. Grab a dumbbell, kettlebell, or even a water jug. Something with weight. Hold it at chest level. Now, standing, feet planted. Rotate your torso left, then right. Controlled. You should feel this pulling at your obliques. Those are the muscles that shape your waistline. Here's the key most people miss. Don't twist from your arms. Twist from your core. Your arms are just holding the weight. Your abs and obliques are doing the work. 20 reps. Slow tempo. Don't rush. And before you think that's not hard, wait until minute 10. It gets mean. Minutes 5 to 7. Standing, knee to elbow, crunches. Drop the weight. Stand tall, hands behind your head, elbows out. Bring your right knee up toward your right elbow. Crunch down. Your knee and elbow meet in the middle of your body. Feel that contraction. Alternate. Left knee, left elbow. That's 2 reps. Do this for 45 seconds. Rest 15 seconds, then repeat. The second round is where you actually start burning belly fat. That's when your body realizes it's work. Minutes 7 to 10. Standing torso rotation plus pulse. Intermediate. Pick up the weight again. Hold it at chest level. This time, you're doing rotational pulses. Rotate left, pulse 3 times in that position. Rotate right, pulse 3 times. No rest between sides. This is where most people hit the wall. Your core is screaming. Your obliques are on fire. This is the moment where your body switches from burning sugar to burning belly fat. Don't stop. You're almost there. Yeah, it sucks. That's how you know it's working. If you're comfortable, you're not changing anything. Minutes 10 to 13. Standing mountain climbers plus finisher. Last push, put the weight down. Get into a standing position. Hands on a chair or counter in front of you for balance if you need it. Now simulate mountain climbers. Drive your knees toward your chest, alternating fast. Not sprinting, but moving. This combined with everything else forces your entire core to stabilize while your legs do cardio. Last 30 seconds. Hold a standing plank position with your hands on that chair, your body in a straight line. Just breathe. This locks in the fat burning spike. That's it. 13 minutes. Done. Common mistakes. Mistake number 1, doing too much volume, not enough intensity. You don't need 100 reps of each movement. You need 8 to 10 hard reps where you actually feel it. Quality over quantity. 1 focused set beats 3 lazy sets every time. Mistake number 2, skipping the warm-up or cool down. Your nervous system needs to be prepared. Cold muscles don't activate the right fiber types. Warm up for 2 minutes. That's non-negotiable. Mistake number 3, not eating in a slight deficit. Here's the raw truth. You can't out-exercise a bad diet. This routine burns calories, but if you're eating 500 plus calories over maintenance, that belly fat stays. You need a modest deficit, not starvation, just awareness. What you should avoid. Wrong. Doing only crunches or ab work. Right. Mixing rotation plus compression plus dynamic core work. Your abs need movement patterns, not just flexion. Wrong. Going fast and sloppy. Right. Slow. Controlled reps where you feel the muscle working. Wrong. Expecting results in 3 days. Right. Give it 13 days minimum. Your body needs metabolic adaptation time. Day 13, you'll see the difference in the mirror and how you feel. Here's what you do right now. 7-day challenge. Do this this 13-minute routine daily for the next week. No gym, no excuses. Tomorrow morning before breakfast. That's it. By day 7, you'll notice your jeans fit differently. You're not bloated in the afternoon. Your posture's better. You have more energy. Day 13, you'll know this works. If you want the exact progression, how to make this harder over time, what to do once you've mastered this routine, and the specific nutrition timing that amplifies fat loss, I've built a full blueprint in the link below. It shows you how to keep going and keep seeing results. But start with 13 days of this. That's the deal. Let me know in the comments when you finish day 13. I'm betting you'll be shocked.